of the small kids. He's wearing blue with stripes. Blue with stripes. It's Primo. Okay, now it's Primo's turn. Primo's Secret Pal is one of the oldest here. He's wearing white cap. White cap. Yeah. Leah. Leah, you get your gift here and you describe your secret.
Under the
she's wearing a little bear shirt.
Gracie!
Black pajamas.
It's Gracie. Okay, thank you. Yay. Okay, now we start again. Who wants to go ahead and start? This race is done.
Yumi.
You started. Where's your gift? Oh, there. You describe your secret power. She forgot who it is. Where's your mom? She forgot. Boy, same as Yumi. Who is it? It's a boy. Javin. Okay, exchange. Now it's Javin's turn. Get your gift here. Javin, you get the gift and you tell us your secret powers. Do you know where? Where's your gift? Tita Janet. Asa po? Which one? Oh, that one? Okay. Happy Christmas. Just read it. It's your new friend. What's his name? Happy Christmas. Kyler.
Go.
Kyler.
Say. What do you say?
Merry Christmas.
What do you say? Thank you.
Okay, Kyler's turn. Now you bring that to bring home and you can open it at home.
Second one is the kid.
Ate Brenna! Ate Brenna! Merry Christmas, Ate! Wala na sound? Mr.
Home.
A kid.
Give Nagpa-lower ko lang volume. Pero hindi, pero...
Eating Doritos! Who's eating Doritos right now? Eating Doritos!
Eating Doritos.
Yeah.
I can hear it. It sounds fragile, like I'm not making it. It's not really much fragile. Or maybe it was supposed to be.
Music.
Paandara kami music kung wala may gambal.
Yara's secret call. The pretty ate from Parker Crescent. Brianna.
My secret Santa is eating chips right now and has a red bow.
Is this like a present? We don't open it until it's Christmas. But Daddy, we have to get this done.
It's okay, so that you would know who gave it to you.
Oh. I can even. I'll guess what the sound makes. But why did they say open it at home? What did they mean open it at home?
You know where people can...
I think it's just taking it out to
And for Yuna's secret pal, her wonderful friend from Parker Crescent. What's her name? Casey.
Casey's manita is so cute, wearing green pajama in daddy's arms. Real.
Brielle's secret Santa is wearing red. And he's with daddy. His daddy. Kuya Sean.
It's such a small present, but maybe it's big. It's big. Oh, even if it's small, it has lots of parts to make one giant thing. It's not how to size. But there's still more left. There's one more.
Start.